Hello, my name is Camille Kohler, and I'm going to be doing a presentation on California Polytech State University, San Luis Obispo. Introduction. The school colors are green and gold, and the mascot is Musty the Mustang, and on the left I have two pictures of the campus. Background information. Myron Angel is the founder of the school. It is founded with the philosophy learn by doing. It is located in San Luis Obispo, California, which is halfway between Los Angeles and San Francisco. The campus is right next to the coastal mountain range and 10 minutes from the coastline. Weather is very similar to how it is here in San Diego, so it's around 70 degrees year-round. The campus is around 6,000 acres. The school has a very highly ranked engineering program. A famous alumni who attended the school is Devin Nunes. Devin Nunes is an American Republican politician, and it was a member of President Trump's transition team. Campus life. Students have resources such as counseling services, health services, and health education. San Luis Obispo competes in 17 different sports, most of which are Division I. Some sports they have are football, cross country, tennis, track and field, volleyball, and soccer. People at San Luis Obispo come from many different backgrounds, so it's very easy to fit into this campus and find friends. Most people who attend enjoy the outdoors and like the beach. San Luis Obispo has dorms, a cafeteria, and fitness and recreation center. There's a wide variety of events that take place on the campus. An event that takes place is they have performances done by students who are in the performing arts, and they also have Thursday night farmers markets. Cal Poly school songs are sung during football games, and during their football games, a lot of school spirit is shown. Students hang out at the beach and restaurants surrounding the area often. Cost. Cal Poly requires all first-year students to live on campus in one of the residential halls. There are 5 different residential halls. 32% of the students live on college campus-owned places, and 68% live off campus. Campus apartments feature single, double shared rooms with 4, 5, and 6-person apartments. Some major scholarships they have are ENRE Student Fellowship Program, APA Latinos and Planning Division Scholarship, and LEAF Scholarship. Cal Poly has financial aid to all students when they apply. San Luis Obispo's average financial aid offered for first-year students is $11,791. And here in the bottom right, I have a picture of some of the residential halls. Admission. Here on the left, I have a list of the A through G requirements. And the average high school GPA is 3.87. They sadly do not take SAT scores anymore starting this year. Cal Poly accepts applications for first-year students from October 1st to November 30th. The most popular majors at the school include engineering, business, management, and marketing. I would like to major in engineering or management because they have a very highly ranked engineering program. Student stories. Emma says, as soon as I started moving into my dorm, I started to meet new people because as you would pass someone in the halls, they would introduce themselves, so I instantly made friends. The town is known as the happiest city on earth, and I agree with it. I went downtown a lot to study at coffee shops and hang out with friends. I have not visited the school yet, and the school offers student-led 90-minute walking tours of the campus every weekday except holidays. Due to coronavirus, they are not doing tours at the moment. Some stuff that interests me at the campus is that there are a lot of stores and restaurants around the area you can go to with friends. My plan. For the next 2 year high schools, I will put in more effort into my schoolwork, and I will start getting into more leadership roles in and out of school. And at the bottom, I have some more pictures of the campus and their logo. Will I apply? Yes, I plan to apply. Trivia questions. What is the mascot for the school? A. Musty the Mustang. B. Marley the Mustang. The answer is A. What is the average GPA? A. 3.87. B. 4.01. A is the correct answer. Is this school halfway between Los Angeles and San Francisco? A. Yes, it is. B. No, it's not. The answer is A. Thank you for listening to my presentation.